So this is how the ball joint should look like with the tool presser. Just gotta put 22mm on it. Try to press down until it pops down. As you can see, this one is very tight. I did even heat it up a little bit, and it's moving down, but it's just really slow. So I can't really hold the camera and press at the same time. So I'm just gonna pause it again, try. But it's definitely going down a little bit at the time. So it's gonna pop out really soon. I'm just gonna try it again. Okay, this is definitely one of the longest ball joint. As you can see, it's moving better now. It's gonna pop up, down. That's it. You can see all the way down. Now you just have to take the tool out and just try to put the new one in, and you gotta press it in reverse. So hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. And crazy it is. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in and press it up. It's gonna go from the bottom. We're just gonna basically apply pressure to the top, and it should be good. So put some grease on it to help it push up. All right. Okay, the new ball joint is pressed in. It wasn't that bad, so it's all the way up. Put the grease fitting back in there, and basically just put everything back together: spindle, tie rod, and brake system, caliper, and that's it. And all right, good luck.